Hello everyone, my name is Ikant Sharma and I'm the team leader, developer, designer of our capstone project on stock market prediction using Python programming. As a team leader, my main responsibility is to plan the project and divide the tasks among my team members and maintain smooth functioning in my project. As a designer, I focused upon how to visualize the data using different algorithms and graphs. As a developer, I use different libraries of Python like NumPy, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn to make my project easy to understand to the beginners. This project helped me to understand how AI can be used in real-world financial applications, and it improved my leadership skills, coding skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kratika Agarwal. I am the data expert of our project. My responsibility was to handle historical stock market data. I also helped in finding different data from reliable sources like Yahoo Finance and online financial data set. I helped in data cleaning, handling missing value and preparing it for machine learning model. Through this project, I understand how raw data can be converted into useful data using data pre-processing techniques. Through this project, it enhanced my values of data analysis and its understanding in artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Pallavi and I work as a pitch head in our project. My role was to explain the project idea clearly and confidently. I focus on understanding the project statement, objective and solution so that the project could be exploration in a simple way. I help prepare explanation to how our stock market prediction system works and why it is useful for students and beginners. I also practice answering possible viva question related to AI and machine learning and stock market concepts. This role helped me improve my communication skills and confidence in public speaking. Thank you. Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Pallavi and I work as a pitch head in our project. My role was to explain the project idea clearly and confidently. I focus on understanding and the project.
Good morning everyone. I am Parivarati of class 12. In this project, we designed and developed a stock market projects a system using a Python that can analyze history of stock data and predict future or trend using AI and machine learning. Our objectives are to analysis of stock trend processes and patterns. Second, to predict futures and using learning.
My name is Shivan Sharma. I am from class 12. Today I am talking about the features used in predicting about stock market in AI. The features that are used are like data analysis. The system always historically the system analyzes historical stock market data such as open prices, close prices, high and low prices and volume. Graph visualizations. Stock trends are displayed using graphs for better understanding, line graphs, trend graphs and prediction graphs. AI-based predictions. Machine learning models are used to predict future stock prices, market trends, price movement directions. User-friendly system. The system is simple and easy to understand for beginners and students. And automated processing tool. The system automatically processes data and generates predictions using the Python program.